Good evening. In this particular presentation, I am going to describe how our weekly trend report has performed during this week till today. So tomorrow also we have one more trading day. So we have released this report on the 1st June 2019 and it was valid from 3rd to 7th June, and these are the levels we have estimated. So how it has performed till 6th June, I am going to describe. Though I have also given a process how you can trade based on this report. So I have told if it is on Monday, if it is opening above 11,957, you must buy it with one 11,950 put option of 6th June expiry. So let us see what happened in this entire process. So here I'm going to the NSE site. I'm just going to take the Nifty, this entire week's movement. So this was the 3rd June, first trading day. 4th June was the second. 5th was a holiday. Today was this level. So I'm just going to get the Nifty data. So 3rd June, I am just focusing on 3rd June. It has opened up at 11,942. So my buy recommendation was, as per this report, it was 11,957. If it crosses that, then the trader is going to buy it along with one 6th June expiry 950 put option. So this is what I have told. So 3rd June, it has opened at 11,942. So I'm just recording that value. So that value 11,942. This is the value it has recorded. So let me see on the 6th. So what 11,950 put option at what price it has opened. So that is very important because that put I am going to hedge it. So 950 put option. I will also see that historic data and I will also take 7 days data. So on 3rd June, it has opened up at 102 rupees, 102 rupees. So this is the price at which the option has opened and the future has opened up. Future has opened up at the price of, you can say, 11,942. So our buy recommendation was 957. We opened at 942, and sell recommendations was different. It was 11,886. So if you see on the 3rd June, we have never come to the sell recommendation zone. In fact, it has given a chance to enter this value at 942. And in that time, if you just take that value of this put option, so we got it around 75 or 80 rupees range. Some people got it in the 80, some are 75 range. So this is what happened. This is what happened, and you can say that 3rd June there was a 3rd June. It was a put options of 11,950. It has gone to 102, opened high 105, gone to 22 rupees, 24 rupees. 4th June it has gone to 8 rupees also. So 30 rupees it has opened and it has gone to the 8 rupees range also. So this is what I have recommended. So you can buy around 60 to 75, 6th June expiry 11,954, and you hold it to in this level. So what happened on that day? So if you just go to the future code, on that day Nifty has touched 12,118 and you have entered at 11,957, and if I just see that the highest level of that day, highest level of this day, so you are making 43 plus. So here if I just less it with this, so here I am just left it with 43 points and 18 point added. So I have said that, so 53 8 are 7 are 60, 61 points. 61 point you made in this future trade, and sometime also you lost some amount on the option trade. So options options, if you look into this options, so around some 30-40 rupees also you have lost in the options. So options also you lost some money, and futures you made. So all in all, it is a profitable trade. 12 to 15 points of profit it has given. So along with the hedging, next day also it made a high of 12,111. So more than this high and the lows, just have a look on these calculations, what we have calculated and what it has happened. So the matching of these calculations along with the happenings is very, very important. So this is the calculations happened. So if I just go for the comparison of these calculations, so here you are making a high 12,118, and here our calculation was 12,108. So hardly some 10-15 point it is moving up, and from there it is retracing back. Here too also it has gone to 12,112, very close near value of 12,108, and 12,036, the low of the 4th June, also is one of the very close near to one of our calculation points. So this is also low of this the day, high of the day, and so closing of the day, 4th June closing also you can say 12,056. So here too also we have calculated 12,055.53, very close relationship. So on the 3rd June also 12,104 closing to 12,104, very close to 108. So closing basis, days high basis, days low basis. These 2 days are gone, 3rd and 4th. 5th is a holiday. So 2 days you have seen. 31st doesn't comes in this week. So 3rd of June, days high, days low, so 11,915, so 11,915. So this doesn't match to our calculations. However, if you just go with all these values, we have found out very close resemblance. Yes, days high, days low, days close, these are the termination points. So calculation very much matches to that. So look into today's value. Today also Nifty has corrected some value. So today it has gone to 11,866 and it has closed at 11,886 and it has opened at 12,056. So 12,056 is here. This is one of the value of ours today, which is on the 6th of June. Today it has opened at 12,056. It is closing at 11,886. It has made a low of 11,866. So 866 is very close here. 8,464 calculation. Today's closing is very close to this calculation. Today's opening is very close to our calculation. So this kind of calculations is, though it will be looking very magical, it is based on a very simple fact that the volatility plays a key role here. The volatility, what we have estimated, the real-time volatility, that is the fundamental of this analysis. The real-time volatility estimate, which is being done on 1st of June, still holding good till 6th of June. So this is a fact in front of you. This is a truth in front of you. So nothing is hidden. This is being released this week on the 1st of June. Many of you would have downloaded this report from our website, and this is the result you are viewing today. Look into the Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty also we have given. Today Bank Nifty high 31,600, 599 point something, 31,600. So 31,600. So here, so Bank Nifty, this is the calculations we have given. Today's open was 31,600 and that was the high. So that was the high, and low was 30,833. 833. Some points it is just so here in between this very close near values it has given. 985 was the closing. 30,985 was the closing. So this was also 962. Base value is very high, so that's why there will be a 10 to 20 points of deviations you are getting. And Comparing with the other values, what happened on the earlier part of the week? Monday, it has opened at 31,326. I have just told that in Bank Nifty, you have to buy at 31,506 above. So it has opened up at 31,327. Days low, 31,250. So it has not gone to the stop loss point. Stop loss point was 31,147. It has not gone there. It made a high 31,718. 697 was one of the target. 744 is another target. So you have gone till 718, 19. 4th June, high was 31,793. So 40-50 points above this you have gone, but it has not come to the exact match. Low 31,571. So very close to this point, 562 and 571. Very close to this point. Closing was 640, 640. So this was the fourth, 31,640. So this two also is very close to this 617. So 10 to 20 points above. 679 another closing, or 680 is another closing. These two also very close to this 786 level, 31,696. So these two are also very closing level. These two values are matching perfectly, and you can say that 30,985 today's value, closing value. So Nifty, we got an exact match. Bank Nifty, because of RBI reviews, because of its higher volatility tendency, we have just deviated by 10 to 20 points, but base value is very, very huge. So this is what the one standard deviation software's performance is. So this software gives the similar success in intraday trade. The trend calculations happened using one standard deviation, and the real-time volatility gives the similar success in intraday trade. Thousands of traders are estimating this particular software. Those are the buyer of this software. They are taking weekly trades analysis. They used to generate on Friday, the last working day of the previous week, for the coming week. The 1st June we have released this report, which was a Saturday. 31st the market has closed. 1st June was a Saturday. So we are going to estimate from 3rd to 7th June. Tomorrow one more day trading also there. So this is what the performance is of this particular software. And this software costs you 5,500 plus tax, 6,490 per year. Next year onwards, you will have, second year onwards, you will have a cost of 3,500 plus tax. This is the value of the software. So the 6,000 value of the software, it gives this kind of accuracy. Nifty, I have demonstrated that it has given an exact match, and Bank Nifty, we just lagged by 10 to 20 points because of RBI reviews, which is an external factor which is going to impact. However, we are very close near to our calculation values also. And this I am not demonstrating for first time. The entire record of 174 weeks are available in our website. Out of this 156 weeks, it has given the success earlier. This week's success, if you can add, it is 157 weeks of success. So this is the power of real-time volatility along with the one standard deviation formula and Fibonacci principle. So if you are convinced with this result, what you have seen in front of your eyes, if you convince with this result, so this investment in a software is not a big deal for a trader. If you want a correct, accurate calculation, if you want a correct, accurate trend forecast to guide you in your trade, this is not a big investment. This is not a big investment, I think. So you pay thousands of rupees on brokerage, you pay thousands of rupees to buy the tips and tricks from other people. So this is a plain, simple method in front of you. This is what it has been calculated. This is what it has delivered. This is on the weekly trend basis. This calculation is done on well in advance on 1st June. Even though if you are not convinced with my talk, If you think that yes, this week it is a coincidence, if you think it is a this week is a coincidence, I'll request you, please test this report for another 3 to 5 weeks. Please test it. Every Friday we release it. Please test this report for 3 to 5 weeks for this Nifty and Bank Nifty. Then decide whether this software is a useful stuff or not. So to test this software, test this particular report, you just have to visit our website. You have to just visit our website smartfinancing.com. So here, go to the download link and download market report. Here you can get the market report. So for that, you need to register, then only you can get the report. So download current week, all earlier weeks, September 2018, October, November, December, January, all these reports you will get. And for more weekly reports, you can click here, all old reports, you can find it here. So this is the all records in front of you. Test it one by one. If you think it is useful, then you can take this report, take this software. So to download this report, it will ask you to log in. If you have not registered, click here, register yourself and do a login here. And post logging in, download all reports, validate it. Even though if you are not satisfied, just go to the download link. Tomorrow also we are going to release the report. Test it for 3 to 5 weeks, then decide whether this software will be helpful for you or not. And we give lot of handholds approach for the traders. Those who are our full package buyers, those who have invested 18,400 to buy all our software, including this one standard deviation software. This also works on the Android device. This software also works on the Android device. Those who have invested 18,400 rupees for all our courses and softwares, we used to put them into a WhatsApp group. Lot of option strategies we used to give them, like these 2 strategies you are seeing here. People used to ask that why these strategies are being given. So like one trader is asking that why you form this particular strategy, why we form this strategy, is it a butterfly? So similar kind of guidance we go on giving to the traders so that you should earn money in the market. And whatever the strategies, option strategies are being given, these are not the fake strategies which is being given. This is also being taken by me. This is my name, my account ID, and these particular strategies I used to initiate in my profile or on my portfolio. So you have enough reasons to test this report. And if you are a scientific trader, if you want that yes, trade can become a profitable profession, trade can become a profitable business, you must accept some tested facts, some true facts, and some correct facts. So here the calculation is happening 2 days, 2 to 3 days before. The calculations is being respected by the market. I didn't say to the market that you must close at 11,886. I didn't say the market that you should find out a resistance at 12,108. So this is a pure calculation and market respected it. Market accepted it. So this is a pure mathematical calculation. Market has accepted it. So this is what you can get. And this particular tool, if you are buying, again also we are giving you one more step, 7 days refund guarantee. If you are using this software and within 7 days if you are saying that I am not satisfied with the software, you will get your money back. Entire money of yours you will get back. Entire money of yours you can get it back. So this is the first time in India we are just giving you this opportunity. So no vendor in India for a technical analysis software say that you test my software, if you are not satisfied, you claim the refund. So this is what the feature of the value of this software, and this is how the software does the work. And it is a desktop as well as a Android edition. So this is how we have performed this week. If you are not satisfied, then just go to our website, go to the download link. For coming 2 to 3 weeks, test this report. If you are satisfied, only then only you can decide to take this software. And time to time, we conduct specific seminar event. We have a fantastic event which is being scheduled from the 15th, 16th, and 23rd June. 3 days program, each 1 hour. You are going to learn many WD GANs concept. Here, the trend reversal, date calculations, and other things you get. Here too also, my earlier video, I have explained that how the trend reversal date is going to work. We have a trend reversal date on 10th for TCS. We have a trend reversal on 8th. So if today is 6th, look into the 7th. If 7th TCS closes positive, 8th it will be negative. If 7th it is negative, then 8th also it will become a positive. Same way, we have a trend reversal date on 10th and 13th for Nifty and 11th and 12th for the Bank Nifty. If this any of these days falls on holiday, like 8th is a holiday, then the trend reversal date will be impacted on 7th. So TCS today it has closed negative, means tomorrow you can get that a trend reversal date, or you can get it on Monday. So this is how the trend reversal date works, and earlier how it has worked on 4th, 6th, all those things I have already released 2 videos. Have a watch on that. Have a watch on those all future trend reversal dates. And if you want to learn these techniques, do join our upcoming program, which costs only 236 rupees to you. Thank you very much, and keep watching this video. Keep sharing with your friends. Give a like if you think it is a useful stuff. Thank you very much. Thank you for your time.